guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you can see by the title, we are going to be unboxing the Deluxe Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box for 2021. Now, I do apologize for the way I look. I worked last night and I'm still up. I had some packages at Amazon I had to pick up, or at UPS from Amazon I had to pick up. I picked up this last night from the P.O. box, and I did go ahead and cut it open and get everything pre-ready to pull out and show. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we ended up getting. So, the deluxe box, this was $140. You got 10 items and a $266 value. I will say stay tuned or subscribe if you're not. I did end up ordering the premium box after I seen Samantha Sweet's spoilers. So that will be coming. When? I don't know, but it will be coming. Either way, let's go ahead and get into this one because this one is here. I do like how he did the boxes. I live in such a tiny space that I really don't have space to keep these, but that Jeffree Star fan in me always wants to. So I will say that the newest collection, the Weirdo collection, the Weirdo Palette did come in all the boxes. So if you ordered multiple boxes, you will have duplicates. But let's go ahead and get in here. So all of my little stuff is in this. And in here, we ended up getting a velvet trap. And this is in the color Firestarter. I do have one other velvet trap that was sent to me by Miss Brenda Hip. And it is in Medieval Kiss, I believe. Yeah, Medieval Kiss. It's a super pretty purple color. But this is what this one looks like. It's like a orange, reddish berry orange color. I know on camera it looks a lot pinker than what it really is. Let's go ahead and swatch it because I haven't. Oh yeah. So it is, just like I said, a very orangish color. I know on camera it doesn't look that way, but in real life it is. They smell so good. I love the little magnetic closures, and the lipstick itself has little stars all around it. If you can see that. Anyway, these are super cute. I don't think that they are better than the lip ammunition. The color glazed in the lip ammunition was an amazing color. I do have a couple of those, thank goodness, because I can't get them anymore. Then we have a velour liquid lipstick in the color Unicorn Blood. Now I know that I probably have this color. I'm not going to swatch this, but I will open it and show you. I'm sure everybody knows what it looks like. I'm sure everybody has this color. If you are ordering from Jeffree Star at any point, that is what she looks like. Pretty, pretty color. Then we ended up getting the gloss, and this is from the Cremated palette. This is in the color 6 Feet Under. I did go ahead and take this out of that little weird thing that he does with his glosses. And this is what that lip gloss looks like. It's like a gray shimmer with silver shimmer. It's super pretty. And there is what that looks like. So it's super, super cute. Alright, I'm getting quite a collection of glosses now. Then we got a lip scrub in Witch's Brew. And I have heard that this is a licorice flavor, sorry. And there is what that looks like. Sounds loose. scrub. Okay, well, I guess I'm definitely keeping that now. It is green in color and very much does smell like licorice. I am not at all a licorice person. I do like his lip scrubs, and I will keep this just because of the Halloween box. And then the last thing as far as lips is I got the lip balm in Diet Shane. Now, I know people have gotten this in their boxes before. I have not, so I'm super okay about getting this. The component's pretty cool. It's like a gunmetal color. It does smell like root beer. And it's just a clear gloss. Sorry, clear lip balm. So, I'm okay with getting this. If you have gotten this before in a box and you got it again, save it for backups, give it to a friend, whatever. It's a mystery box, so it is what it is. So the next thing we got in here is the blood sugar palette. Now, I do own all of Jeffree Star's palettes, so I don't know what I'll be doing with this. I don't know if I'll do a giveaway, if I will give it to one of my nieces, whatever the case may be. Then we got a Jeffree Star Open Here for Nudes, and this is this one. I don't have any of these lip sets. I will be having a small Jeffree Star haul from where I just ordered items. There's what that lip set looks like. There is I'm Nude, Birthday Suit, Top Shelf, Christmas Cookie, Hidden Heels, Dominatrix, Family Jewels, and Tasty. Now, I've heard that Christmas Cookie is an all-time favorite of people's, so I'm super excited to have that in my collection. And just a lip bundle, period. This is my first one, and oh, this is volume 2. So, I am working on the lip bundles now in my Jeffree Star collection of things. So here is the newest release palette. This is the Weirdo Palette. This palette is super cute. The colors totally gave me My Chemical Romance vibes. But put it upside down. There's the outside container. And I haven't looked at this. Well, obviously, y'all just see me unwrap it. So, oh, so pretty. Oh, it's got his face on it. Oh, my goodness. So, there's what that looks like. So pretty. Okay. And there are those colors. Super, super pretty. Let's see if I can do this without blinding y'all. So there are those colors. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Oh, it's got a silver. Oh, I don't know if Jeffree Star's been listening to me, but oh my goodness, he has been coming out with some totally Becca approved products here lately, and I'm super stoked for it. So there is the Weirdo palette. I will be doing a look with it. It will be coming. So there is that. The next thing is this super cool, super cute bag. I do have one Jeffree Star makeup bag. It is from the Cremated collection. I do want the big orange travel bag from him. But this is what this one looks like. Oh, it is so cute. This would have been great for my birthday weekend concert. Oh my goodness. So, it is orange. Oh, and it has fangs. So this is a lot like the Halloween mirror that we got, I think it's two Halloweens ago. Yep. So, orange, totally digging it. Super cute purse, clutch, makeup bag. whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to use it for. Little silica packets. Okay. And the inside is pretty good size. So, that is adorable. I'm going to leave my little squishy puff thing in there. Because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. But I don't want it to flatten. I love the bat wings. That was super genius. This box is awesome. So, loving that. And then, the last thing in here is a t-shirt. Now, I can say I did not get a postcard in this box, which really bums me out because I do collect them. But I did get the Jeffree Star Skin, which is coming out in November. So just a little heads up. You know, Jeffree, he barely gives us time to breathe before he comes out with something else. But here is the shirt. I got mine in a medium. I feel that once I wash them, they are perfect fit. The small's a little bit too snug after I wash it, but the medium's just perfect. So it is in the purple. Oh. And the back looks so cool. I know everybody has seen spoilers for these, but to see it in person, oh my goodness. Now, I can't wait to rock that this year. All year. I wear my Jeffree Star merch all the time, without fail. Oh, I love that. I will try it on, and I will put a picture in of it. But that was my Jeffree Star Deluxe Halloween Mystery Box unboxing. I'm super happy with this box. I think he totally killed it. I think he totally listened to people. I did get some, you know, unicorn blood. I do believe I already have that. The lip scrub I'm not going to use, but I will keep it just for the simple fact that it's a Halloween edition. The Velvet Trap, I think it's cute. I can see me pairing it with the Pricked palette. And the Diet Shane, I like lip balm, especially wearing a mask at work. I can put this on and I don't have to worry about it having color and getting all over my face. So I'm super happy with it. Jeffree Star, I think you did amazing. Oh yeah, and the gloss. I think the gloss is super cute. I don't know how it's going to wear, but we're going to see. So comment down below. Let me know what you thought of my box. Let me know if you ended up getting a box. Which box did you get? Has your box came in? What are your thoughts on it? Are you a Jeffree Star fan? Do you not support Jeffree Star? Give me all the deets down below because I love hearing from y'all. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becca. Thank you for checking out the video. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, ringing my bell, and leaving me a comment, giving me a like. The likes really do help our videos. So if you do nothing else, please give the video a like. I would forever be grateful. And until next time, guys, stay beautiful. And remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. Love y'all. Bye.